I got myself this sound machine for my nightstand. It comes with the USB. You will have to have your own outlet for the plug. This is how small it is, and it's by YogaSleep. It has this ambient light, very convenient if you want to wake up at night to grab yourself a drink or to wake up to a baby. It's not too bright, it's just perfect for the night. So you can turn it on, turn it off, and it has the option for timer 45 minutes, 90 minutes, or 8 hours for a full night, you can say. So there's volume up, volume down, 3 modes for noise. I want to show you. This is just white background noise. It sounds like wind. This would be rain or thunder. You can turn up the volume. This is as high as it goes. This is working on water. You can lower the volume, whichever you prefer. And this is Lullabies. It sounds like a heartbeat. Very nice and helpful. Thank you for watching.